Why do athletes train their breathing muscles? Your leg muscles get tired during a run. Your arm muscles get tired in the gym. But did you know that the muscles you use to breathe can get tired too? And athletes actually train them. Let's see how. When you breathe in, you pull in oxygen. And there are muscles that contract when you breathe. These muscles are called as diaphragms and the intercostals. Let's say instead of normal breathing, you decide to push your body with intense exercise. After heavy exercise, you breathe faster and deeper. This way, the diaphragm and the intercostal muscles also contract faster and deeper to pull in more oxygen. Since you are exercising more, this makes your body use oxygen more than usual. And it also makes your cells to produce lactic acid. Over time, lactic acid builds up inside these muscles, and oxygen delivery can't fully keep up. Ultimately, the muscle fibers get weaker and tired. This is called as fatigue. Now, previous studies suggested that only the muscles of the limbs undergo fatigue, not your breathing muscles. But the current evidence suggests that the muscles you use to breathe also undergo fatigue after an intense and heavy exercise. How did they find this? The diaphragm muscle is supplied by a nerve that causes it to contract. That nerve is called as phrenic nerve. Researchers stimulated the phrenic nerve and found out that after heavy exercise, the diaphragm is not contracting as strong as before, which shows that the diaphragm muscle is either tired and undergone fatigue. That means if diaphragm muscle undergoes fatigue, so it can also adapt to training. That is why athletes train their breathing muscles to improve their performance. They use tools like inspiratory muscle training devices. These tools make inhaling harder. It's like lifting weight for your lungs. Swimmers use breath-holding techniques and runners use breathing drills to build endurance. With consistent training, these muscles get stronger. They use oxygen more efficiently and they are able to resist fatigue for long periods of time. That means less energy is wasted on breathing and more energy is left for the arms and the legs. This isn't just for athletes. Respiratory muscle training is also used for patients like asthma and COPD. This helps them to breathe easier in daily life. So keep in mind that it is not important to just train the muscles of your body, but also to train the muscles that you use to breathe. If you think you learned something new, you can subscribe as well.